How to add Open to Work in LinkedIn. So Open to Work is this thing. It's the banner around your profile. And how do you add this? It's very simple. I'm going to log out of my account and I'll log into my other account to show you. Give me a second. Right, so once you're on your new account, you just want to go onto this. Oh, sorry, not new account, just your current account. You don't need a new account to do this. So view profile and press this, open to. And there will be a couple options here, finding a new job, hiring, or providing services. The one you'd want to press on is this, finding a new job. And the job title you want maybe is like a video editor, for example. And the location type is hybrid, remote, whatever. Flexible, immediately, recruiters only. And here, this is the one, visibility. If you put in all LinkedIn members, you'll get the banner, hashtag open for work. But if you press recruiters only, you won't be having the banner. So make sure to press this as well, all LinkedIn members. Save. Update settings. And there you go. Now you have the pretty little neat banner, hashtag open to work. So that is how you add open to work to LinkedIn. It's as easy as that.